Pulled a CorelShow file from an old Corel Office archive? This is a presentation file from the classic CorelShow application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these CorelShow presentation files. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky CorelShow file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. CorelShow files are presentation files created by CorelShow, part of the legacy CorelDRAW Office suite. They contain slide-based presentations with text graphics, images, and transitions for business presentations, created in the Corel ecosystem during the 1990s. CorelShow files use Corel's proprietary presentation format, storing slide layouts, text content, embedded images, vector graphics, and transition effects. The format integrated with the broader CorelDRAW suite, enabling vector graphics from CorelDRAW to be incorporated into presentations. The reliable first choice for the CorelShow file type is CorelDRAW Graphics Suite, developed by Corel. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows may present static views only, so dynamic slide elements require compatible tools. The solution is often a compatibility match. Right-click the CorelShow file and select Open With. If CorelDRAW Graphics Suite is installed, test it now. If not, choose another application. Every app handles errors differently. If your CorelShow file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Since this CorelShow format is so specific, basic errors are common. Don't worry, we just need to verify a few key details before moving on. Let's go to our checklist. First, opening with CorelDRAW Suite. Install a legacy version of CorelDRAW Graphics Suite that included CorelShow. Launch CorelShow and use File then Open to load the CorelShow file. The presentation displays with all slides, graphics, and text intact for editing or running the slideshow. Next, migrating to PowerPoint. Within CorelShow, export the presentation to a format compatible with Microsoft PowerPoint such as PPT or image series. Modern PowerPoint imports the exported content, though some Corel-specific effects may require manual recreation in PowerPoint's effect library. Finally, recreating in modern software. For long-term use, recreate the presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Keynote using the visual content from CorelShow as reference. Modern presentation software offers superior compatibility, collaboration features, and platform support for ongoing presentation needs. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.